Welcome to JH. Today, I will demonstrate how to transform Google Sheets data into JSON format. Begin by navigating to the Extensions menu, selecting Add-ons, and then clicking Get Add-ons. In the search bar, type Sheets to JSON. Once the correct tool appears, select it and hit the Install button. Choose your Google account and click Continue. Scroll down to review the permissions and press Allow. After the installation finishes, click Done and exit the current window. Go back to Extensions, find the Sheets to JSON menu, and select Open. Confirm by clicking OK and wait for the interface to load. Now, pick the specific sheet you want to convert. Decide whether you need the entire sheet or a custom data range. Then click Generate. Your JSON code will appear instantly on the screen. Finally, click the Download button. Choose your preferred folder, name the file, and hit Save. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped, please like and subscribe for more tutorials.